Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact killer NIC model and driver version. This ensures you won't install an incompatible package. Once identified, create a Windows restore point and log in as an administrator so changes are reversible and authorized. Next, download the official driver package and the release notes. Make sure the file matches your OS build and bitness. While the download runs, disable third-party antivirus temporarily and close bandwidth-heavy apps, so the installer won't be blocked or interrupted. Now, remove the old driver cleanly. Open Device Manager, right-click the killer NIC and uninstall the driver. Check Delete Driver Software when shown. If uninstall fails, reboot into safe mode and repeat. This prevents files from being locked. Once removed, run the downloaded installer as administrator. Select custom options to keep settings or perform a clean install. Follow prompts, allow driver signing, and let any firmware updates apply. After installation, restart the system to finalize driver and service registration. Finish by verifying the NIC. Open network connections and confirm link speed, IP4/IP6 status, and that the adapter is enabled. Then open the Killer Control Center or Windows Adapter properties to apply performance profiles and co-S rules. Make sure latency and bandwidth controls match your needs. Test with a speedest and a relevant application. If you see instability or loss of connectivity, use Device Manager to roll back the driver or restore the system to the point you created. This single troubleshooting step recovers a working state quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.